Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to use Veo 3. So before we get started, technically what is Veo 3? So Veo 3 is going to be an AI platform powered by Google. To be specific, Google Gemini. Now to get that access is going to be you need to purchase the subscription plan. So once you're in here, just type in Google One and their subscriptions. And then you're going to see this one. As you can see, they have upgraded. Before you can only get it to Google Ultra, which is Veo 3, but now you can already get it for Google Pro. As you can see right there, it's going to be Veo 3, all right? So Google AI Pro offers a free 1 month purchase. You need to cancel after that or you're going to be charged for $20 per month. And this is Google Ultra. It costs around, I think this should be around 120, 150. And for the Pro, you're going to get Veo 3 already. All right? So, for example, you already have Veo 3. How can you access it? By simply going on your Google, for example, I'm just going to type in here Veo 3, like so. I'm going to have this option, create with Veo 3 in Gemini or the Google DeepMind. Either or of the two you can choose, and you're going to get this one. You're going to have two options, try in Gemini or try in Flow. So I'm going to go on Flow, and you're going to get this one. Now, once you're in here, simply click on Create with Flow. After creating that one, you're gonna get this, and you can see that you must be a subscriber to generate. So you can feel free to look for the meantime for now, but since this is not gonna be under subscription, my account, that means I cannot really technically use it. Anyway, you can just simply click on New Projects if you have the subscription, and you can now use Veo 3 moving forward. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.